Yo, what is up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys a red dot sight that I built. It's very simple, nothing complicated. You can build it yourself in the house or at home with simple home materials. Very simple. As you can see, that's my red dot sight. It's very simple and efficient. As you can see over here, that's the red dot sight that I built. Yeah, it works even better in darkness. There's because of the sunlight, it's not actually showing, very well, but in darkness or in a dim environment, it works pretty very good here. So yeah, that's my red side. So I'm going to mount it on my AR-15 cardboard gun, then we'll see how it functions. So let's do it. Okay, so this is my AR-15 cardboard rifle. Here it is. So I'm going to disassemble it, then we'll mount the red dot sight. This is the normal cross scope, so I'm going to remove that one, then put in the new red dot sight. So let's do it. So that's how I remove my old scope, then let me place the new scope there. So first of all, I gotta turn it on so that it will be much easier and simple for me to mount it on. So what you're gonna need to do is that you're gonna put it where you feel comfortable with, then you put the screws back in like this. You put the other nail to inside. It's a little bit wobbly, but it's not coming off. As you can see, it's not coming off. So that's my red dot sight. That's my red dot sight. Alright, so let's go and test out the red dot sight and see how it functions. Okay guys, so this is me testing out the red dot sight at 9, and you can see that in a dim environment the red dot sight works very well because the dot is very visible to the eye. So I guess that's pretty much it. Alright, so as you can see, I've mounted my red dot sight on top. So this is how it looks. Not too bad. I mean, it does the job, but it's not perfect, but at least it does the job. So that's the red dot sight. So if you guys want a tutorial video on how to build the red dot sight, just comment down below that you want a tutorial. Then I'll make a video on how I built it. And also don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so that you get notified anytime that I upload new type of videos. So